which one do you want to see? Let's see which comes up first, and then we'll do the other one. No, we sit in the each chair.
No, he wants this here.
You want to sit in the wheelchair?
He wants this chair.
No, Bob, you sit in the Bob, you sit over here. Over here. You.
Meeting come to order. Division 5 is once again in session. Honorable Judge Stein, Judge presiding.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon,
This is the case of the people of the state of California versus Erik, Galen Menendez, and Joseph Lyle Menendez. The record will reflect the defendants are present with counsel and the people are represented. Would the defendants please rise? Erik Galen Menendez.
Yes.
Is that your true and correct name?
Yes, Your
And Joseph Lyle Menendez. Is that your true and correct name?
Yes, Your Honor.
Erik Galen Menendez, you are charged in count 1 with a violation of Penal Code Section 187A, murder of Jose Menendez, a human being, for financial gain while lying in wait with a firearm. You are further charged in count 2 with a violation of Penal Code Section 187A, murder of a Maria Menendez, a human being, for financial gain while lying in wait with a firearm. You are further charged with special circumstances for which you could be sentenced to death. Do you?
Also, the people at this time are moving to release the contents of the affidavit. We've discussed this with counsel, and they'd also like an opportunity to brief that issue as well on the day of the continuance. So I don't have anything to do with that.
Your Honor, we would, however, like to receive the documents so that we can prepare the matters for further proceedings on March the 26th, as well as prepare for a bail motion on behalf of Erik Menendez in this instant. That being the case, we would ask that the matters be provided to counsel immediately and to counsel only.
And that including the affidavit for the search warrant.
Understanding that this discovery is going to be released to counsel under the circumstances where they're going to have an opportunity to review it for purposes of these motions, and that it's not to be disclosed to any further counsel except those who are immediately operating with counsel, we have no difficulty in releasing this discovery.
It's our understanding that the matters will be released to us and only us, and that we will not be allowed to release them to anyone other than discussing them with their clients.
In light of the representations and motions of counsel, The arraignment and plea in this matter is continued to March 26, 1990 at 2 p.m. It is further ordered that the affidavits be released to counsel for the defendants are each ordered not to discuss the contents, either directly or indirectly, of the sealed affidavits with anyone other than their clients without further court order. The matter will be continued also to the 26th of March for investigation regarding any potential conflict of interest. And, of course, for a determination of the status of the sealed affidavits, further motions, and any bail motions.
Your Honor, on behalf of Erik Menendez, the record should reflect that he will waive time till March the 26th for these
That will
purposes.
be the next matter for the court to request. Mr. Erik Galen Menendez, you have the right to have your arraignment and plea within 48 hours of your arrest, and your preliminary hearing within 10 days of your arraignment and within 60 days of your arraignment. Do you give up that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel join.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Shapiro. People join.
People join, yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Alhara.
May the record reflect that I am handing counsel.
Excuse me, we need to have a waiver as to Mr. Joseph Lyle Menendez.
We can do that.
Joseph Lyle Menendez, you have the right to have your arraignment within 48 hours of your arrest, your preliminary hearing within 10 days of your arraignment and plea, and within 60 days of your arraignment and plea. Do you give up that right? Counsel join?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chaliff. People join. Thank you, Mr. Alhara.
Your Honor, may the record reflect that I am handing the discovery of the people's case to counsel for Mr. Joseph Lyle Menendez and to counsel for Erik Menendez. And this counsel would just sign a receipt on that. I appreciate it.
The record will so reflect.
The record should also reflect that contained within these documents are a copy of the complaint.
Yes, the documents do carry copies of the complaint.
Anything further?
No, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Ready for the people to know.
Court will stand in recess on this matter until March 26th.
Quiet, please.